Welcome to 28441 Via Mondano in San Juan Capistrano, California. This sophisticated, elegant home resides behind the private gated community of San Juan Hills Estates. This is a 4-bedroom, and one of those bedrooms is located on the main level. On the second floor, you have a sizable loft, and as you can see, this home is extremely well curated. It's highly upgraded. All the bathrooms have been redone. I'm currently in the kitchen, and as you can see, it's been completely renovated. Kitchen flows to the family room and goes right outside to this oversized, beautiful, tranquil California room, ideal for entertaining. I know you're gonna love this home. Let's go take the tour. I just love this great room. You have a living room that flows to the dining room, and the light is incredible in here. One of my favorite things about this home is all the living spaces flows out to the backyard where you can enjoy that outdoor lifestyle. Look how spacious this primary suite is, and it's extremely private and very quiet. I love the natural light in here. Don't you love this backyard? You have mature landscaping, beautiful vegetation, and look how amazing this California room. Are you checking out that fireplace? I'd be living out here every day of the week. Now, if you have interest in touring this gorgeous home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.